Ho, ho, ho. Okay then, time to get into the festive spirit. Here we are. We're in the festive spirit here. Let's hope we can inspire you to get in the festive spirit. It's about time now to start making things ready for Christmas. Here's a few pallet ideas that we've been making today. Hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, like, share and subscribe it, and hope you have a go at having some of these things. Let's get cracking. Right, the purpose of today's video is hopefully to inspire you to create some pallet projects like this. You've probably seen other pallet projects we've got these, but these ones are really simple, really easy to do. Get out there, get a pallet, take it apart, and all you need is a few screws to start getting. This is the simplest thing we've made. It looks like nothing there, but this is it. Little picture frame, you can put anything in there. Be creative if you like. Fill it with any pictures, photographs. Well, I don't know what, you can hang it outdoors even. Very easily to do. We've also made a Christmas tree, 2 little Christmas trees. You'll see the videos. And here we've got our Santa sleigh. I like this one. This looks cool outside my house. And hopefully Santa will stop here. Real simple project as well. We don't need to show you how to do that. Just tying a bit of twine around a block that came off the pallet. We've got back here a little stocking hanger upperer. Santa, please stop here. A little hook on the back. What else did we make? Just Snowman and the star. Snowman with a bauble, great. I'll talk you through how we've made them, and you'll see on the videos what we've been doing. I'll start with this picture frame. Very easy to do. 2 lengths of wood, cut to length, sanded, denailed, and the 3 on the back. And all we did, we got a couple of screws in each one. Made sure the screws weren't too long to go through the 2 pieces and stick out of this side. Screw them together, very rough and ready, but the fun bit comes when we also put the hanging thing on there, but the fun bit comes of putting whatever you want at the back of that when you hang it up. Great project to do with the kids, the grandkids, on your own, whatever. Decorate it any way you like, not just a Christmas thing, but yeah, for us it is. Hang it up straight or wonky, let's be crazy, let's hang it wonky. Real simple project. We've started off with this one, because pretty much this is the basis of how we've made all these. You get the wood, you sand it, denail it, screw it together with screws that aren't too long to go through to the other side, and that's about it. Next thing I'll be showing you is the Christmas tree. We've got 2 versions here. This one, here you are, you can see them cutting just straight out of a pallet. Took the pallet apart, took the back off it, marked it out on the diagonal, run down there with a circular saw. We didn't have to denail the top, didn't have to screw it back together. Very simple, and the base we just made up offcuts off that pallet there from the ends. Cut 4 lengths to size, screwed them on the ends, and just fixed it on the bottom. You'll see there on the video. Really simple to do. And then we just cut out the star. We've made the star same way as you'll see in a minute. Keep watching, you'll see me making the decorative star. Made it in the same way as that, cut it out, screwed it on top. You can do what you like. Be really creative. A bit of tinsel because it's Christmas. Why not? You can do what you like with them. This will be great outside. I think they're great little things. Box at the bottom. We've made it out the end pieces. They're much bigger and stronger. Stop it from rocking over. I don't think it would withstand a gale force wind, but I could see that just sitting up against the house at the side. You could even fill that, put some more weights in that. It's held in place with these little stretcher pieces going across it. We screwed them to the sides. All 4 pieces around the edge of the same size, so very simple cutting, and that's it. A few longer screws needed, and that was it. Great little project. We've also got this tree up here that we've done, same way, but this one, we took the pallet completely to pieces, got a thinner strip for the back, and we've used hardwood. We put the lats together, and then when they were together, same way, marked it down there at the angle, and cut it out with a circular saw. 2 little stars on the top, decorate it any way you like. You can put pictures on there, baubles, lights. Yeah, I think they look great. You could paint them up even, get the kids to paint them yourself. Wow, you can it's endless. But these, just some ideas, real simple ideas to get you going. So next we'll show you how we've made the star, like we've got on the trees. We started off by getting a piece of MDF or plywood and scribing a circle on there, drawing a line through the middle, then we're using an offcut that we've marked up with a protractor at 72 degrees. 72 degrees is exactly, you know, the 5 points. Is it 572? It's 360. So that divide your circle up into 5 points, and we're drawing the lines across. As you can see there, from 1 point all the way across to the other side. But, wow, this is confusing. Yeah, just do what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm just drawing across there, making the star shape. You've got to keep in mind the star shape as you do it. It could easily get lost. I got lost while I was making this video, even though I've done it a few times before. Yeah, it's quite straightforward. 10 points on your circle at the minute, but you just want these 5 points. And when you've got that star, then you get your lats, whatever you're going to use. There I am, I'm cutting one of my pallet slats up just a little bit thinner, just to add a little bit of difference, a bit of depth to the star itself. Nice. Make sure I've got a nice hardwood piece running down the middle. If you haven't got hardwood, it doesn't matter, but a piece down the middle so that the point of the star has got a piece on it. And then moving out, and I've tried to get hardwood pieces on the small bits at the end of the star, and make sure that we'll get 2 fixings on that. So yeah, we just laid them all together, put our star on top and started screwing through in the same way as we did the little frame before. Screwing them through so it holds it nice and tight, flip it over, circular saw, jigsaw, handsaw, just cut along that line that you can see on the star there. And then, because the edges looked a little bit untidy, as you can see there, what we did is we got a bit of this, well, what do we call it? Sisal, cord, jute, I don't know, anything, but you could put tinsel around there, anything, lights, could leave it, but we've just used super glue, 2-part super glue, fix that all the way around. I'll show you on this one. This one's finished, and then on the back we put a little hook on there so we could hang that up, or you could hang it up on your door with a little bit of rope or whatever over your door. Great thing inside or outside, with or without lights. Yeah, and if you do have a go, just tag us in the comments below so we can have a look, and we'll know that we're inspiring you. Yeah, moving on. Snowman. Oh, we've got the Santa Stop Here sign. Exactly the same way. It's probably self-explanatory. A bit of paint. Hopefully you can see this. Santa, please stop here. 5 lengths of wood. 1 across the back with a hook. And then we've got some of these that we found lying around. And I think that'd be great just hung up somewhere, or standing up on the fireplace. Put your stockings on there. Santa, please stop here. Great little thing. Get the kids involved in that little bit of time you've got between now and Christmas when they're getting antsy and ready to do things. Keep them busy with this. It's a great way to get them involved in making things, being creative, which is what we're trying to inspire you to do. Here's another really simple one made the same way. This is like a taller, narrower version of the Santa, please stop here stocking sign. Yeah, we've got him there. He's been out working as our snowman. Again, 3 lats, 2 across the back. We made it's a carrot for a nose, little top hat, and we put him a tool belt on because he's helping us out today. And here we've got our sledge. Again, it's one of them projects that when you see it, you may say to yourself, there's no way am I going to make that. We've made this one out of a hardwood pallet, exactly the same way as what we've done all the rest. We made this top piece, a few pieces across the back. These end pieces, you can cut with a handsaw or a jigsaw, and then we just screwed through to hold it in place. A little bit of rope again. Whoa, ready for sledging. I don't think it's quite ready for sledging, but it's a great little decorative piece to put outside your house. Yeah, hope it's inspiring you. Yeah, it was looking all right, but what we thought, we'd just show you what you can. It was plain. We just thought we'd show you an idea what you could do. We had a stencil that we've cut up ourselves. Santa stop here. There you go. We laid it on, sprayed it red. It was our second attempt. We had some other ideas. It didn't look great, but that's the beauty of these things. Just have a go. And if it's not right, you just start again. The material's free. Go and get your pallet. But what I will say is if you do find a pallet, try and take it apart where you are. Make sure you've got enough wood for making what you're doing, because it's really annoying when you get a pallet and you start taking it apart and it breaks, and then you don't have enough wood and you need to go and find another pallet. So yeah, that's happened a few times while I've been doing these. We took loads of pallets apart to get this bit of wood. So just to reiterate, it's very simple to do. You keep the pallet together like that, cut it out to make your Christmas tree, or you take it apart, put it back together like this. It's got that rustic look. It's on trend. You can do pretty much anything you like when you've got your pallet slats there. This is so simple, this Christmas tree. If anybody wants to make anything, it's big, impressive, yeah, have a go at that first, I reckon. So yeah, the purpose of this video is to inspire you. It's not an in-depth how-to, but I'm pretty sure with what we've shown you and told you, you'll be able to get out there, find a pallet, smash it up carefully, and make something to make Christmas more fun. It's always great with a piece of craft that you've done yourself, made yourself. Go as creative as you like with them, yeah. And the good thing about these, if you were to make one, well, you can't get this patina from bought wood unless you're buying pallet wood. It's free. You go and find a pallet, ask wherever it is, they can have your pallet. They're going to say yes, more than likely. It's free to do. This one cost us nothing, a few screws. If you don't have any tools and you've got to go and buy them in the first place, yeah, there is the outlay. All you need is a handsaw. You could do pretty much all this, a handsaw and a drill, screwdriver, and a few screws, and away you go. Yeah, great little project. Inspiring you, I'll say it again, hope it inspires you. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And have a good Christmas. Yes! See you on the next one. Oh, oh, oh.